Hello, friends. To make the process of implementation session bookings easier, we're trying to create a site specifically for this thing. So, if you refer to this URL meet.ceoitbox.com, so here what we'll do is you will get an email like this very soon with your login details. So, your name will be mentioned for one company, one ID and password will be given to you. You can share this with your team. So, our email address, that's your, it will be mostly the owners or the ID which we have got from your company. That ID plus the password, you will receive this, and the URL is mentioned here. So once you open this, a platform like this will be shown. Put in your user ID and password which you have received. Click on continue. Now what will happen here is, as soon as you put the password, you will find all our implementation experts details here. Okay, for example, you your sessions are being taken by Sadhvir. Okay, there are other consultants as well, but for yourself, the sessions are being taken by Sadhvir. So what you will do is, you will simply just click on this book slot like this. So there is a 120-minute duration session. So Sadhvir also will create a 30 minutes or 60 minutes as and when the requirement comes in. So you will have to, so whatever I am doing is on behalf of the client. So you will be clicking on this next. So you will find the availability. So the grade ones are where you cannot do anything, you cannot book because it can't be clicked. Suppose you want to have a session on 10th, that's tomorrow, just click on 10th, and these are the time slots where he is available currently, because he might be having other sessions in his calendar, so the time slots are not showing. So these are the slots which is available as per Sadhvi's calendar. So you click on this. So I clicked on this 2:30. I can meet him on this time. Click on next. So your name, your email ID, that's the client's name will be mentioned here. The date, time, everything is mentioned here. If you want to add someone, so this will basically will be an invitation to your calendar, your DME or someone else you want to add, you can add, and just put in some remarks like you need to do some FMS discussion or workflow discussion, whatever you feel like. You can just add it so that the teams are prepared accordingly, and then you can click on book event. So what will happen now? Two things will happen. You see here automatically this has come to a different page now. Event has been booked successfully. Now this is your page where earlier we were in this section called users, where you found Sadhvir. Now you are in under events. So here you see the list of all the bookings will be shown. Whatever bookings you have done. So you have done a booking with Sadhvir from 10th of August from 2:30 to 4:30. It's mentioned here. So once in later this list will might become longer. So ones which are not relevant like this event, these are all old. It will become grayed out, and you can also search like whatever events you have booked from here, date wise, month wise, all this thing. So this will happen. And if you want to book another session for some other day, just go to users. So just play around these two tabs. Again, click on book, or if whoever is your support person, or you want a special session from Abhishek, just click on book a slot. So there's a 20-minute slot, there's a 60-minute slot. So depending upon your time requirement, you can just click on it. So what will happen now is an email must have been received and also a calendar. Let me just refresh the calendar. So after some time, it will take a bit of time. It has not come till now. So what will happen is a calendar mail will come, and the details also will get added to your calendar. So 10th August will get added. It generally takes around 2 to 5 minutes maximum to show in your calendar. And in this way, you know that you have booked a session. Sadhvir knows that they have booked a session for Sadhvir, and the calendar notification reminders will come accordingly. So this I hope will help you schedule your sessions easily with our implementers. Thank you so much.